Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. Some of you have asked me, could I do my shampoo bar in the cold process way? And so we're gonna do that today. I've got on long sleeves, my gloves, my safety glasses, and now I'm going to pour in my pre-measured oil. So we'll add the olive oil, shea butter, and coconut oil. I melted my shea butter and my coconut oil in the microwave at 30-minute bursts so that I could watch them and get them melted but not overly hot. So now we have those together, and I've measured my lye into my distilled water. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sodium lactate to my lye water. This is going to help the soap to harden quicker. I'm going to mix my oils together to make sure they're evenly combined. Now I'm going to take a tablespoon of my oil and add it to a teaspoon of rose clay. The rose clay adds a pretty pink color to the shampoo bar and will also add some benefits for your hair. Okay, so now I'm going to test my oils for temperature. 77 degrees. Now let's check the lye water. 88, so it's perfect. It's ready to blend together. You want to keep them very similar. You don't want one really super hot and one quite cool. So I think within 20 degrees, 15, 20 degrees, you're okay. And so we're like about 10 degrees or 12 degrees, I don't remember. But so we're good to go. So I'm gonna burp my oil to try to get out any air bubbles. And now I'm going to slowly add my lye water, and I'm going to pour it down the shaft of my blender. My soap mold and 2 sample size bars. Now I'm going to let these set up for 24 to 48 hours. Then I'll remove them from the molds, and then I will let them cure for 6 to 8 weeks. You can use them as early as 4 weeks sometimes, but the longer they cure, the harder the bar, the longer it's going to last. So I say let it cure, my friend. Well, I hope this has been a helpful video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. God bless. Bye.